Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the system has Python and pip. Open a terminal and run Python 3 version to confirm. Once done, update apt and install Python 3 and Python 3 pip so dependencies will resolve cleanly. Make a project directory and CD into it. This keeps files organized and avoids permission issues. If you plan to use virtual environments, install Python 3 venv now so you can isolate packages. This early setup prevents conflicts later and speeds up the actual code execution steps. Next, create and activate a virtual environment to keep packages local, Python 3 venv. Venv then source. venv/bin/activate. Once active, install dependencies with pip install r requirements. txd or pip install package name. This ensures reproducible behavior. To run your script, use Python 3 script. Py or Python 3m module for package modules. If your code needs network or root access, prefix with sudo only when necessary. Otherwise, adjust file permissions with chmod +x and run directly to avoid accidental system changes. To finish, deactivate the virtual environment with deactivate and tidy up temporary files. Leave the project folder for future runs. If you see module not found error, install the missing module with pip inside the venv and make sure Python path or sys. Path includes your project. For permission-denied errors, adjust file modes with chmod +x or run the specific command with sudo only when it truly requires root. Avoid habitually running scripts as root. These steps resolve most runtime issues quickly without overcomplicating the workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.